So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find Forex trades to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once you open up Seeking Alpha, I want you to go to the top left, press on the arrow, and then where it says the Seeking Alpha dropdown, just go down to where it says Stock Analysis and then Stock Ideas. Once you're on the stock ideas page, you can view a bunch of different analysis based on what you're looking for. So in this case, you're looking for Forex trades. So just scroll down on the left hand side here to where it says Forex and then press on that. Now once you're here, it'll say the latest sort of Forex investing analysis. So you can go ahead here and actually check a bunch of different articles based on the Forex you're looking for. And then you can make a decision that way potentially if you so wish to do so. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to find Forex trades to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.